Hello guys, welcome to CAD Make. In today's tutorial we are going to design a linkage component using essential features and commands to bring our design to life. We'll also assign material and customize appearance to give our material a professional look. I hope you'll enjoy it. Now if you're ready, let's get started. Go to the File menu. Click New. Click on Part and click OK. Go to the Sketch. Click on Sketch. Choose the right side plane. Now take the Circle command and draw a circle of 60 mm diameter here in the origin. Again draw another circle of 32 mm diameter in the origin point. Press Escape button. Go to the Features and click on Extruded Boss command. Give the extrusion value as 50 mm, select midpoint as a direction. Click OK. Now click on Right plane. Click Sketch. Zoom out. Take the Center Line command and draw a center line from the origin to upside like this. Click Exit. Now take the Line command and draw a rough sketch like this. Draw a horizontal line. Draw an inclined line. Now take the cursor away and back to the starting point, it will make an arc. Again draw a line to close the sketch. Click Exit. Now select the center line. Hold Shift or Control button and select this point and this one. Click Symmetric. Click OK. Select the arc and the line together. Make it tangent. Again select this arc and this line. Make it tangent. Click OK. Zoom out. Now select the arc center point, hold Ctrl or Shift button and select the line end point. Make them coincident. Click OK. Select this edge and click on Convert Entities. Now take the Extend Entities command and select this line and this one. It'll extend the line till the circle. Press Escape. Select this line and circle. Make them tangent. Also select this line and circle. Make them tangent. Click OK. Now take the Smart Dimension command. Give the radius to this arc as 20 mm. Click OK. Distance between this center point to this one is 80 mm. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Distance from this line to the arc quadrant is 60 mm. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Select this point, hold Ctrl or Shift button and select this line. Make them coincident. Click OK. Now click here to finish the sketch. Go to Features and click on Extruded Boss command. Rotate a little. Choose this section. Give the extrusion value as 50 mm. Choose here mid-plane. Click OK. Now click here. Click on Sketch. Go to the Extruded Boss command. Now select this portion and this one. Give the extrusion value 15 mm. Choose here mid-plane. Click OK. It looks amazing, we see. Now click on this surface. Click Sketch. Take the Circle command and draw a circle of 20 mm here in the center point. Click OK. Now go to the Features and click on Extruded Cut command. Select here Through All. Click OK. We have created a throughout hole here, we see. Now click on Front plane. Click Sketch. Zoom out. Take the rectangle command and draw a rectangle here like this. Click OK. Take the Smart Dimension command. Give the length of the rectangle as 45 mm. Click OK. Give the width of the rectangle as 25 mm. Click OK. Distance from this corner point to the rectangle is 12.5 mm. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Now go to the features and click on Extruded Cut command. Select here through all both as a direction. Click OK. Here we see it looks perfect and amazing now. Go to Appearance. Click Metal. Click on Magnesium and choose the brushed magnesium. It's enough for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comments. Thanks for watching.